Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do another update about what's happened currently for the Bitcoin price, because guys, right now we are standing on a very emergency situation, and as you can clearly understand guys, it happened as I predicted the last couple weeks on my channel, that all this kind of pump, it was actually the biggest bull trap that ever happened on this bear market, and not the beginning of the bull run that most people believed back then. So obviously the time that we broke guys this massive support area, which was the support area of $22,150, then we flipped this uptrend movement into a downtrend movement, which as you can see is very dangerous. And it is dangerous guys because the SP 500 is moving into a downtrend movement and also just broke this massive support area, and that indicates us that probably we're gonna see huge free fall in the next coming days. And of course the market's gonna close today because it's Friday, so we are speaking from Monday. And also we have the Dixie, which moving on the uptrend movement, which is also an indication that the current situation of the Bitcoin and of course of the SP 500 is very dramatic and it's going from bad to worse. That's from technical side, because guys from fundamental side we are in extremely dangerous position. Probably we will go for a recession. That these current situations that we are dealing with right now guys reminds me things that happened back in 2008, so this can be a potential ultimate crash which gonna lead us back to low numbers for the Bitcoin price, which I'm gonna analyze in this video. So you would like to know all these things, where we are heading on the short term, mid term and long term. All you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. And before we jump into more analysis guys, I would like you to go on my Twitter and follow me there, because I am analyzing you and I'm updating you whatever is happening within a day for the crypto space, and that's why it's really important to follow me there. And before we continue to our video guys, I would like you to smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you are helping me so much to continue this journey. And with a very simple process of daily like, daily comments, a share with your friends, a share in your social media, you actually help me so much, and appreciate you for this help support from the bottom of my heart guys. A big thank you to everyone. And let's dive straight guys to the daily time frame to begin our analysis. We're gonna initially start with the patterns and with a price targets, and then we're gonna move into indicators and fundamental side of analysis. So initially, as I told you, you can clearly see that the time that we broke this massive and crucial support area, which was one of the most guidance support areas, because I told you that if we're gonna break this $22,150 support, then we're gonna flip into a downtrend movement, because previously we had this uptrend movement and the fake belief simultaneously of the beginning of the bull run. And you can clearly see that right now this kind of belief exposed, fade away, and right now we are moving into a downtrend movement, which gonna lead us back to very low numbers. And as you know guys, my worst case scenario for the Bitcoin price is 12,000 within $60,000, and have been telling you guys these things when we had the price of Bitcoin back to $25,000. And I showed you guys, you can go weeks ago and watch my videos that I showed you this descending broadening wedge. And if you actually look, I told you that I'm expecting a lot to see this from this point, massive dump all the way down to this area to retest this massive support of this descending broadening wedge, which is around the area of $12,000. Exactly the worst case scenario number for me is the $12,000 area, and of course there is a probability to fluctuate the worst case scenario $12,000 within $16,000. Okay, nobody knows exactly the number. That's why I'm fluctuating between these two prices. And subsequently, I believe guys that we're gonna start building very slowly the bullish territory for the next bull run, and the time that we're gonna actually surpass this $30,000 orange line, this could be the time that we're gonna begin the bull run. Okay, we will need of course to surpass this previous support of the previous bull run of 2021, which was testing back then as a support. Right now we will need to surpass it as a resistance, and then we're gonna have officially the next bull run. Okay, so From that point that we broke, guys, this massive support, as I told you, we move into a downtrend movement. And let's speak about the next important support areas. As I told you, you remember I told you that if the Bitcoin break the $21,500, we're gonna do a free fall straight to the next price target. And the next price target, guys, was a support of $20,400. And look, guys, we closed the candle above this massive $20,400, and in the next daily candle that we started, which is the today candle, we moved straight under this $20,400. And I told you that if we're gonna break this $20,400 support area, then the price of the Bitcoin is gonna get inevitably under the $20,000, which right now you can clearly see that we are standing at this $19,900 area. So I predicted, guys, as you can obviously see, 100% the next moves for the Bitcoin price. Okay, the time that we actually broke all these areas. And back then, guys, when we had this bear flag, affirmation of this bear flag, I told you that we were waiting to see the confirmation of the SP500 crash. And if we're gonna see the SP500 into a crash, then Bitcoin, because fundamentally and technically we were bearish, we're gonna move through technicals. Okay, and that's why we saw this massive drop for the Bitcoin price, which for now, the next support, the next important support area, guys, is the $18,400. Is exactly this very strong support area. And if we're gonna break, guys, this massive support area, then the situation here is gonna become very dramatic, because we're gonna drop back to probably a new bottom. So let's see what's about to happen. I believe, guys, from my perspective, that we're gonna stay on this bear market until Q2 and Q3. Okay, we're gonna have lots of fluctuations and lots of some consolidations inside of these periods, week by week, which I believe that in the Q4 of 2023 we're gonna start building all this bullish territory. Okay, in the Q4 of 2023, because until Q2 and Q3 I believe that we're going to remain bearish, and my justification of that is that fundamentally we are extremely bearish right now, and we will need at least 6 months ahead of us of trying to recover from all these bad things that are about to come. So that's why I'm watching the real big numbers in 2024 and not in the 2023. Okay, and let's move, guys, on the SP500 on the daily time frame, because you can watch the SP500 moving on the downtrend movement, and also broke this massive and crucial support area of $3,887. And guys, this massive support broke out is very crucial, because probably on Monday we can see a furthermore free fall for the SP500, and that free fall is going to be disaster for the Bitcoin price. Okay, because also the Dixie, guys, is moving into an uptrend movement, which is also an indication, as I told you, that the situation for the Bitcoin price and of course for the SP500 is going from bad to worse. Especially, guys, if you're gonna see a massive reversal with impulsive move to the upside close to $110. Okay, then the situation, of course, it's gonna be emergency and very dangerous, because we're gonna see probably Bitcoin under this $18,400. Probably in that case we're gonna break this $18,400 area. Okay, guys, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. Let's see some indicators, and I'm gonna close the video. We have the EMA ribbon, which, as you can clearly see, it squeezed a lot for the daily time frame, but in the 12-hour time frame we saw this flip couple days before, and as you can see, it's obvious to happen on the daily time frame if we're gonna experience a slightly more dump to the downside. Also, we have, guys, in the daily time frame, the super trend indicator, which is looking extremely bearish, not only in the 1-day time frame but also in the 3-day time frame. You can clearly see that we start moving into a 3-day bearish territory super trend indicator. Also in the 4-hour time frame, you're gonna notice a very important exponential moving average 50 and 200 death cross, and you're gonna also watch that in the 8-hour time frame we are going very close to experience another death cross. So if this death cross is gonna happen, then the retest of the $18,400 area is gonna be inevitable from time to time. And this is exactly what I would like to tell you guys. Everything is looking bearish, fundamentally, technically, indicators, SP 500, DIX is only the bullish indication here, and that's of course a bearish thing for the crypto space and for the SP 500. And probably, guys, in the next coming weeks, we're gonna see even more bad things for the crypto space, for the global economy, for the SP 500, for the stock market, which gonna collapse the prices back to very, very low numbers. Okay, so watch this, guys, as this crash as an opportunity to accumulate as many Bitcoin as possible, as many altcoins as possible, because it's gonna be your last time, your last opportunity of your life to accumulate as many as possible. Do your DCA dollar cost average, and you're gonna thank me in 2 years from now. And that's the video. Follow me on Twitter, guys, and I'm gonna speak tomorrow with fresh updates. Until then, your boy Chris is out. Bye.